Alright guys, and we're here. So, for today, here's my fishing hole. Let me get my backpack off before everything gets all tangled and all that good stuff. Because I don't have this is what I have. As far as bait goes, here's what I have. I have garlic red worms and bagged corn, fresh corn. Fish. Got you, big sucker. Yeah. Big creek chub. Big. That's a pretty good size for creek chub. But we caught these before. Boy, you guys got me good, didn't you? My hand for reference. Get back in there, buddy. Got you. Oh, that's a big, beautiful one. Big. Here's my hand for reference. Dang, you is something else, buddy. Yeah, let's look at you. Let's look at you. There we go. Good. Decent size. My hand for reference. Go. God, these are some chunkers. Lord have mercy. I would not expect to have been blessed with these. Look here. Some decent sized, beautiful bluegill. Got a lot of my arm. There's a lot of it. Got you, sucker. Lord, look how it is bending my pole. Lord, look at what a fish. Thank you, Jesus. That's a big one right there. That's the biggest pro. my hand. Well, there. Wasn't expecting that, but okay. Ah, look here. This is a tiny little catfish. You can see here. Hang on, there's the front door. And the catfish is small. Gotta be careful. It'll hook you. Squeezing everything he's got. Oh, yeah, he's back there. Little mud cat.